Bored or boring? Excited or exciting? Interested or interesting? This video is about participle adjectives. A participle is a word that comes from a verb, but it has different functions. There are two types of participles. We have present participles and past participles. Both types of participles come from verbs, so we need to look at some verbs. First we have bore. The present participle is boring, and the past participle is bored. For the verb excite, the present participle is exciting, the past participle is excited. One more verb, interest. The present participle is interesting, and the past participle, interested. Notice that present participles usually terminate with ing, while past participles usually terminate with ed. But there are many exceptions for past participles. Let's look at an example of past participles. She is bored. We use past participles to describe personal emotions. She feels bored. She is bored. Present participles are a little different. Her life is boring. So we use present participles to describe the cause of the personal emotions. So she is bored. We use bored because that is her personal emotion. Her life is boring. We use boring because that is the cause of her personal emotion. Another example, they are excited. Notice that excited describes their personal emotion. They're going to the beach. They are excited. Personal emotion. The beach is exciting. This sentence describes the cause of the personal emotion. Exciting. More examples. The students were interested. We use interested because that was their personal emotion. The class was interesting. We use interesting because that was the cause of their personal emotion. Another example, the men are exhausted. We use exhausted because that is their personal emotion. Their job is exhausting. We use exhausting because that is the cause of their emotion. They are exhausted because their job is exhausting. Another example, the girls are very relaxed. We use relaxed because that describes their personal emotion. Why? Because the beach is relaxing. We use relaxing because that's the cause of their personal emotion. This video was about participle adjectives. You learned about past participle adjectives that usually terminate with ed. Past participles usually describe personal emotions. The students were bored. You learned about present participle adjectives that usually terminate with ing. These usually describe the cause of the emotion. The students were bored because the teacher was boring. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.